Alright, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So I know it's late at night, but it's super hot in California. This is the only time we literally can work outside and it's bearable. So we got the LEDs out. Anyways, we're gonna be doing the brakes and rotors on the E46 M3, the one with these drill slotted rotors. From where'd you get these? FCP?
Nah, it's just, I think it's just eBay.
I'm gonna just say it's FCP.
Alright, FCP.
Just hype it up.
High brand Brambos.
No, but these look sick. So
Yeah.
whatever. We're gonna go ahead and install this tonight. I'm gonna do the right side. Mikhail's gonna do the left side, just so we can both knock them out at the same time. And then we'll do the rears later, probably off camera. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we already broke all the bolts loose. You obviously gotta step on the brake pedal to do the fronts because it's already lifted. This is quick. These are like short bolts.
Or maybe you broke them.
I know, right?
The other half is in there.
Like a break every time we loosen them.
Yeah.
So hopefully this wheel is not stuck on
Nah,
there.
it won't be.
Because dang, on my 335, they're like seized on there. Cool.
There you go. If you look at the rotors,
They're all lippy.
there's a, like, it's not even a little lip. It's like a big lip. Like Tony Hawk can skate this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the other wheel, and then we'll start taking off the calipers. All right, so these are finally out. As you can tell, horrible. But the funny part is that they decided to put on new brake pads.
What's up?
See how big they are.
Oh, you're recording.
Brand new brake pads, but they didn't change the rotors. All right, so we got it off, so we're gonna go ahead and put on the new ones. It was a little hard. We had to use a hammer because it's kind of seized on there. But yeah, let's go ahead and install the new ones. All right, let's go ahead and install this one.
Yeah, those things are huge.
There's 2 pins up here, 1 down here. So it has to be like this. Like this. There we go. Okay. There you go. Like that. Goes like that. And then we'll go ahead and install this little guy to hold the the rotor. All right, so it's very important when you're installing them, make sure these lines right here and these dots, see how they're like kind of angled that way. They're basically, this is the front of the car, they're basically going from down up to the rear. So this way, and that way when you spin it this way, that's how it should look. So in the instructions it doesn't tell you how to do it, you just kind of got to look online, and this is how they say. That way it doesn't wear out as fast, because or else supposedly this wears out the pads really quickly if you install it wrong. So just a cool little trick to know. All right guys, so we're all done after like, I'm gonna say like an hour and a half. This is what they look like. Very nice. If you're ever doing a brake change, definitely go with these drilled and slotted rotors. Just makes the car look really nice, especially if you have a sporty car. Makes everything look nicer. Next we'll probably paint the brake calipers, but that'll be in a different video. But yeah, I'm just gonna lower the car, clean out the mess, and then probably just show you tomorrow how it looks out in the sunlight.
All right, guys, so it's another day. All the rotors are done, all 4 sides, and honestly, it looks really good. And then they work really well too. I mean, we hope that they did. And then we even have this slot right here just to cool down the rotors better. Oh, my bad. I said we have this slot right here to cool down the rotors better. We purposely removed the M3 emblem. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, right.
It's broken. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap this up. We're gonna just go ahead and give this car a quick wash because it's been sitting for weeks or months.
Probably weeks now.
Okay, weeks. I mean, what is the wash gonna do? It's not gonna fix the clear coat, but we still want to keep it clean.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and get started on that.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and give this a quick wash.
You hit the bumper. You went through the bumper. And this one, you went through the bumper. You went through the bumper. Yeah, go ahead.
Alright guys, so before I close out the video, we're gonna go ahead and replace these just because they've seen better days. Let's go ahead and install these. Alright, so here's the new one. Let's go ahead and install it. There you go. Now take away the protective film.
Does it have a sticky side?
Alright, now the rear. Nice. Alright guys, so that's going to be all for this video. We went ahead and replaced those. Looks really good now. So stay tuned for the next video and we'll see you guys next time.